In this video, we will show a typical example of how to connect a PISA-M electronic circuit breaker to a PLC and to two 24-volt DC power supplies. PISA-M protects individual DC load circuits and helps keep unaffected parts of the system supplied if a fault occurs. Connecting PISA-M to a PLC makes this protection more transparent. The control system can monitor status information and send control signals remotely. In this video, we show a simplified wiring example for this PLC connection. Please note, this is a simplified wiring example. The actual wiring may vary depending on the PLC, the application, and local regulations. Read the installation manual for details. Ensure that the main supply is switched off before working. Otherwise, dangerous voltage may be present. Installation and commissioning must always be carried out by qualified personnel using the official product documentation. On the right-hand side, the power supply provides the 24-volt DC power for the PISA-M and the connected loads. The positive output of the power supply is connected to terminal 1.1 on the PISA-M. The negative output is connected to terminal 1.2. With this connection, the PISA-M is powered and can supply the connected loads through its four output channels, 2.1 to 2.4. Next, we look at the piano power supply on the left-hand side. This power supply provides the 24-volt DC power for the PLC. The positive output is connected to the positive supply terminal of the PLC. The negative output is connected to the negative supply terminal of the PLC. Now we connect the signal from the PLC to the PISA-M. A digital output of the PLC is connected to terminal 3.1 on the PISA-M. This is the positive side of the PISA-M control input. It can be used, for example, to send a reset signal from the PLC to the PISA-M. The return path for this control signal is terminal 3.2 on the PISA-M. From 3.2, the signal returns to the negative rail of the piano power supply. This closes the circuit for the control input. Next, we connect the status signal from the PISA-M back to the PLC. The positive output of the piano power supply is connected to terminal 3.3 on the PISA-M. Terminal 3.4 on the PISA-M is wired to a digital input of the PLC. This allows the PLC to monitor the status of the PISA-M, for example, depending on the communication mode you have selected, whether a channel is tripped, is switched off, or is OK. So in summary, the right-hand power supply powers the PISA-M and the load side. The left-hand piano power supply powers the PLC and the signal wiring. The PLC sends a control signal to the PISA-M via voltage between terminals 3.1 and 3.2, whereas the PISA-M sends its status back via voltage between terminals 3.3 and 3.4. This setup helps integrate PISA-M into the machine control system, combining protected DC power distribution with PLC-based monitoring and control. Thanks for watching. For more, check out our PULS channel or our website.